how to fix Facebook a dating option not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. The first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open Facebook app information settings, click here on force stop, go down to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode right here and disable it again, and that's the first way. The second way is you have to open Play Store, search for Facebook and click here on update to update it into the latest version. And that's it guys. And if this problem is not solved yet, then it may be the problem from your country. This option is not available yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe.